month. So we get an extra day on January 2nd, Monday. Again, a lot of short weeks going on here. Trading volumes are way down. So let's take a look at the NASDAQ trading 49.22, basically down 1 for the day. And you can see that it traded much lower overnight. Well, much lower, down to about 13. 49.13 was the low. And it may push and test that again there, and if it fails again, we're kind of at a key juncture. You would look at this chart and say, well, if we can get a rally going here, maybe after the first half hour, and we're 17 minutes into the day, we might see a rally back to the mid 40s to the high 50s, and that's exactly where the way I see it today. Break 4,900, you need to be short, and rally up to mid 40s to 60, you need to be short, probably into year end here. So looking for some type of recovery rally. 37 and 43 are key zones for me, and then above that 48, 58. That's where I'd be looking to be a seller. Why do I say that? We're looking at a 1 week chart here. So this is the last 5 days, and you can kind of see that we're at the bottom of the range on the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ is at the low of the week, pretty much, with that low down there at 13. But the rest of the market, if we pull it back a little bit and take a look at this thing is hanging on by a thread, much like the S&P yesterday. It did not fall, and any type of move that we would be able to get, and this is really loading slowly, but you'll start to see the profile formation here. But you can see this right here. Big magnet right now for me is back here at 48.61. That's probably where we're headed next. All right, that's about 60 points from where we sit. So even if you wanted to take a little bit short here into the over the weekend and the holiday, and even possibly you got 48.61, you got 48.19, and down here 47.50. So very possible that we could fall to that area. And if you see, I'm going to tighten it up a little and just kind of look at December. So I'm just going to look at the December month, and you'll start to see the topping pattern again. Very top heavy just here on the last 20 days. So this is the last 20 days of trading, and you can see I'd love to see a rally back to 49.50. This has really been the same formation that we've been in, kind of like we were talking about yesterday. As this breaks, and that area is really 49.10 now, it's going to move pretty quickly down here to 48.60 that we talked about, and that's that next level on the longer time frame. And then below that, 47.85. So these are the next areas. This is keeping a lid on the market. Now, I'm wrong if we close somewhere above 49.75. So you need to be able to maintain a position really on an opening position that doesn't close above any 49.75 to 49.90 area. And I would leg out of it as it proceeded to go back over 49.60. So sell up to 49.60. Again, 49.20 here is fine. And look to be in the position at least for a move down to lower positions. 48.65 should be the next step.